Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Davinci Resolve keyboard shortcuts. So to begin ramping your keys, go to the Davinci Resolve top left corner, click on it and keyboard customization. So select that. Now here you will see the basically the keyboard, and yeah, if you are transitioning from another software, you don't have to ramp every key manually. Okay, so now what we can do here is um, you will see this top right corner, this drop down menu. And if you click here, you will see Adobe Premiere Pro, Apple Final Cut Pro X, Avid Media Composer, Pro Tools. So you can select that and click Save to apply the entire layout instantly. Now, to change a single command, changing the blade tool to different key or something, use here the search bar in the top right to find a command. So you can type in razor or something like that, Control B, as you can see. Click on the command in the list below. In the key stroke column, click the existing shortcut or the empty space next to it. Type the new key on your physical keyboard. So if there is a conflict, the key is already used, a warning will appear. So I don't know, for example, let's say Control S. As you can see now, we have this alert here. And you need to find another one that will be basically available. Now, once you have made changes, you must save them as new profile. So click the three dot icons at the top and save as new preset. You will give it a name and click save and then close. Now, to take your shortcuts to another computer, in the keyboard customization window, click the three dot icon right here, and you can export preset, save txt file to a cloud driver or USB, and then on the new computer use import preset from the same menu. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next